Hey, mister, let's do a video for the day. Not so good today, as you can see by the balance. Um, so yeah, I woke up late, so I started very bad. Yeah, I should be here earlier. And I think I should have taken this break, maybe this break here, as we break high, and I wasn't here. Yeah. But then again, so this is my first trade. We are rejecting resistance. We closed bearish the 1 hour. There's nothing wrong with the trade. Nothing, absolutely nothing. I've been analyzing, and this is yeah, it wanted to go up a little bit more and just fucked me. Unfortunately, I had it on this one, 0.5 R here, but yeah. I was expecting at least this level, at least, and then the low, which is 17 away. So yeah, it really didn't come in my direction. It was unfortunate and nothing to do about this trade. Um, what more? GA. GA, there is a lot of trading on GA. So in there it was 1.5 R. So first trade on GA. Here we are. We broke we broke above here. We broke above. This is resistance back in the day. We break that shit above. Next stop is there, right? Beautiful. Unfortunate. Boom. Almost gave me my target, but it didn't. It didn't. And yeah, it was just before resistance, just before. So all this shopping only in this candle would have been triggered. So yeah, break even trade here after being 17 pips in profit. The target was 21-ish. I should have taken some. Uh, this is the thing with the break evens, man, man. Like, if I didn't set break even on this one, would have been a profit. Okay. Now this one is just a bad trade. This is just a bad trade. Why? Why? This second one we are watching. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Okay, so this trade we are talking about. This is a bad trade. Why? Because we need to break those weeks here. Those weeks. Unless we close in this zone, okay, which we didn't, okay. Before this trade, we didn't close in this zone. I cannot take the break of the high on this candle. I cannot do that. Why? Because there are more weeks there. Yeah, exactly what happened. So this is a stupid trade, and unfortunately, it went to my stop loss. But it's really a stupid trade. This shouldn't have been a trade. Okay, and this one should finally we closed above. Okay, now we close above. Now we close in the weak zone. So the trade is here, 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 in the close, in the open of the next candle here. Okay, and if the trade is there, why am I? Oh, okay, this was a late trade for me. I was not watching anymore. It was the last trade, but the trade should have been here because in here, okay, before going to my TP, he gave me like 15 pips, and then I said break even. Boom, the usual story, you know. But this is a good trade. So two break evens again, it would have been a profit. The TP, you can see it there, just before it was just before resistance. We have resistance here in the left, you see there. So yeah, it was just before resistance, and man, so obvious. Now break even. This one shouldn't have been a trade, but the ones that should have been trades, the break even was not a good thing. Okay. And finally, GU. Okay. GU is a different story. Kind of, we reacted on those weeks. Okay, so we are in those weeks territory. The break of the high here, I would say has very good odds, isn't it? But we missed it. We missed it because there was another resistance here, just 6 pips away. Uh, but yeah, so this one has closed above in this weak territory here. This one tried to go down, couldn't. It closed very, very weak bearish. And this next one breaks the high there. Okay, breaks the high. What am I thinking? Man, we have 10 pips to TP. We have 10 pips to TP, which is there. And I can do a 10-10. I can do a 10-10 here. You know, I'm not expecting after this break, because we did this week first, right? And after breaking higher, I'm not expecting to come back. So yeah, I can do a 10-10 here. And yeah, unfortunately, price went to 9.9, 9.9 there, you know, and break even again. And then it went to my TP. So, mm, man, the ones that should have been trades, TP was a bad thing. The one that shouldn't have been a trade on GA, and I should have set break even. This one I should have set break even because it would like it was 10 pips, 10 pips, man, in profit, 10 pips. Like, look, 10 pips, and man, I was tired of this shit. But the problem is, this shouldn't have been a trade. That's the problem here. So I'm considering the break even shit. It's good. It's good that we log this thing, and I'm going to start putting on my notes 3 break evens. You know, three break evens that would have been profits. I'm going to put that on my notes, and at some point I might change this break even thing, because to be honest, I don't do that much of that in the simulation. You know, like I do when it's like in this case when it's just about to hit my target. The thing is, in a trade like this, I expect the high there. I expect the high. You know, I expect the next resistance. So break even is yeah, yeah, maybe after. You know, I don't know. Just doesn't seem good. Just that we have talked about it before, and yeah, we gotta keep analyzing and seeing what. But because that today that would have been the difference between profit and loss. Well, today was really a bad day. Break even here. This the only one that should have been break even. The only one that should have been break even. It was a stop, and yeah, not happy with this. But yeah, let's keep it on. Let's keep it on. If I had entered in the close of this one, this man, yeah, that position is 25 pips away. But that should have been the entry there. Anyway, loads of little things, and it's good. It's good to have a vlog of that. Okay, cheers. See you later. Bye bye.